saw that I got my Ipsy today, my February Ipsy. So that's what I'm going to unbox right now. Or unbag, I guess. So first thing is a mask that I have too many of. Yay. Okay, so there's a mask. Oh, the bag is really pretty. I guess that is like Valentine's-y. That's cute. I like it. So the first thing is the card, whatever. Ooh, a Luxie brush. Ooh, this has two sides to it. I guess this is like an eyeshadow brush. That's really pretty. How do I get it out? That's super pretty. The next thing is this Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. I feel like I have this color in so many different brands. It's like a brownish color. The next thing is Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner by Mark Anthony. I don't know about this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like getting hair products. And the last thing is this Pacifica Beach Crystals eyeshadow. Oh, this is eyeshadow. Cool. I like eyeshadow. It's my favorite. So this is what it looks like. Pacifica. Have I heard that before? I don't know. More tape. There's more tape. Did I press record? So this is what it looks like. That's pretty cool that I got this. I mean, the cake, it feels kind of cheap, but like, it's whatever, you know. I really like the colors. Like, I like the gold, the brown. It's a, what is this, like a blue or something, and two, like a purple and like a pink, and that was really cool. My favorite thing is probably the Luxie brush. That's super awesome. And yeah, so that was everything I got in my Ipsy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Bye!